Yeah, just put them to the
Okay. Chicken a sewer. Mommy with the ducks.
I saw her for some time. I didn't realize.
Didn't know what was going on. Yeah. They've been down here for a couple hours now. Ooh. So cute, so cute. They're gonna have to like go clean themselves off. That's 5 so far. We need 5 more.
Oh, come here. Oh my god. I just want to hurt them. They're so delicate.
They're so tiny. Yeah. Look at them run off to little mom.
Shower now.
Yeah, they need a bath.
I'm supposed to be having lunch with my boyfriend.
You're in a sewer instead.
He'll understand.
Yeah, I hope so. If he doesn't, that's probably not the boyfriend for you.
I can get a.
That's the way I look at it. Oh, duckies.
Almost. There's 3 left.
Yeah, there should be. Oh my god, they're coming back.
Yeah, watch
Ah!
out. Make sure they don't go back to the...
Go away, little ducky mom.
Wait, don't go yet.
Don't go into the road though.
Why is she leaving?
She's just leaving without her baby. You need 3 more, sweet pea.
I got 3 more down here. Yeah.
There's the mommy. Oh, look how they all follow her. It's so cute. Yes, 3 more. 2 more.
Watch out, yeah.
Ah, they're so cute. This is all on video. Say hi, Andrea. Hello. Here's the mommy.
Oh.
Here's the little ducklings. This is gonna go like viral. Saving duckies from a sewer. 1 more?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so sad.
Don't leave.
No, there's 1 more. She's leaving. Ah!
She can count.
Oh, no.
No, go back.
Other way. No, he was running the opposite way though.
Yeah.
She's over there.
Over there.
Ah! There's 1 running away. All done. Oh, you got a bucket.
We're good.
Yay!
Got them all.
Are your boots okay? Okay, let's get this ladder up.
You want to wash your hands?
Ooh, we're stuck.
I drink the
Whee!
bathroom.
Everybody saving ducks.
Thank you, sir.
Yay!
You'll be famous.